Hello students, welcome back to yet another concept and chapter of mathematics for grade 6, chapter 4, that is basic geometry, right? So in this chapter we are going to learn important elements and concepts about geometry. What are the different shapes, how do we identify them, and what are the other things that we need to take care while we are understanding the geometrical shapes available to us. Okay? So with that, let's try to understand what are polygons and what are the different shapes that are available in polygon. The first one that I have for you is a triangle, right? You all can see the triangle on the screen. A triangle has three specific corners and all these may be of different angles. It's not necessary that they have to be of the same angle. Anything which form a triangular shape is known as a triangular polygon. The second one we are going to cover is a square. As you can see in the video, all the four sides are equal. It's a square polygon. The next one we are going to see is a rectangle. You all have studied about the different shapes. What is a square? What is a rectangle? What is a triangle? So this polygon is known as a rectangular polygon. The next one is a parallelogram. You see, this is also rectangular, but over here there are two acute angles and there are two obtuse angles. It's a bit different. Over here the lines are bit tilted. If you see, the lines are bit tilted, right? The next one that we are going to see, or you can see on the screen, is a pentagon. As the name suggests, pentagon, there has to be five corners. Consider this as connected, okay? My drawing is not that good. Better always use a scale to draw such shapes. This is a pentagon. As you can see that there are five specific sides. This is side 1, this is side 2, this is side 3, side 4 and side 5. As the name suggests, pentagon. Now if you study ahead, it is a hexagon wherein you have 6 specific sides. Side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That is a hexagon. Similarly, if you keep on going for heptagon, heptagon will be having 7 sides. Octagon, octagon will be having 8 sides. Nonagon, nonagon will be having 9 sides. And decagon, decagon will be having 10 sides. Okay? Understanding all these different shapes and sizes is going to play a very important and crucial role for you to define what are all different types of polygon and then what are the different shapes. Right? I'm giving a perfect look for all of you so that you can still go ahead and take a good look at it. Now let us try to understand what is an open curve. Anything which is open in nature, or you can say which does not have an end-to-end marking in a closed shape, is an open curve. Here are few examples. You can see all of these are open in shape, right? Even U letter U or a shape like this, or a S letter or a Y letter, all these are open in nature and hence they all are called as open curve. Similarly, we do have closed curve. What will be a closed curve? A closed curve will be something wherein the edges or the boundaries would be connected to each other and they will be forming a specific boundary. So here are few specific examples of a closed curve. You can see, as in this rectangle, all the edges are connected to each other, right? This. There is absolutely no space from where you can escape this, right? There is no space. Over here as well, if you can see, there is absolutely no space from where you can escape this out shape. Even in this circular form, this is a close-ended. Everything is closed. Boundaries are marked close to each other. Even if you take a good look at this arrow shape that I have drawn, this is a closed curve. All the edges and the boundaries are closed and it forms a specific shape wherein things can be done, right? Okay, so with that, let's try to understand few more important concepts, which is all about diameter, radius and all such concepts. Right, so I have drawn a simple circle over here and I have tried to draw a few lines here and there. I have tried to mark a center point and then there is a point A, there is a point B, and then there is a point C, there is a point D, there is a point E, and there is a point P in the center or inside the edge of the circle, and then there is a point Q which is outside the circle. So if I'm talking about what is the diameter of the circle, diameter of the circle is exactly the half of the circle. When I say this is half of the circle, this is the diameter, and anything which is half of this diameter is known as radius. Anything which is half of this diameter is known as radius. So over here I can say that OB, point O to B, the distance between point O and B is known as the radius of the circle, whereas point A to C is known as the diameter of the circle. Point P is in the interior of the circle. Interior means inside the circle. Point Q is outside the circle, right? So if I just take a segment DE, if I just take the segment DE, this is a specific chord or a string. This specific segment is a specific chord. Segment D to E is a specific chord. C-H-O-R-D, chord, okay? So that is a specific chord. So let me understand, or let me try to have a question. Will the diameter of a circle be always a chord? Yes or no? Of course, yes. The diameter of a circle will always be a chord. And now if I say, will the chord always be the diameter? No, it is not necessary that all the chords between a circle will be its diameter, as you can see in this shape, right? Now if I talk about the segment O, A and B, what does they reflect? They reflect a specific segment. They are a part of a specific, they reflect a specific sector, not a segment. They reflect a specific sector. आप लोगों ने देखा ना गांधीनगर में हमारी सिटी पूरी planned है. Why it is so? It is divided into specific sectors, right? Similarly over here also we can see that OAB is a specific sector, and if I say A, C and B all the way from here to here, this entire portion A, B and C is known as a specific segment, right? So that with all these concepts, I think we will be able to understand the chapter in more better way. Thank you very much. Have a nice and good day everyone. Bye bye.